Hey everybody, Rich with our little homestead. It's apple picking season, which starts in late July for us, I think. So our honey crisps are pretty much done. And we've made applesauce, we've made apple butter, we've made apple crisp. We made some hard cider that's brewing down, in the basement. Now we're gonna make some apple cider vinegar. And this is our first time doing it. We have lots of, just beat up apples. We've made so many apple products. Figured, hey, why not put these apples to use? The chickens love them too, but I'd like to do more than just that. So what we're doing is basically going through, quartering these bad boys up. And nothing crazy here. Some people actually, use all of the apple, but we're not. And we're tossing them in this here bucket. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some water and sugar. Sugar, I think was, I can't remember. Tablespoon per cup.
Of water.
Of water. 1 tablespoon per cup of water. We don't know how much we're gonna use at this point because we don't know how many apples are gonna be in this bucket. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna slice off what apples we got, make some apple crisp, so we'll have some apple skins too. And then we'll figure out what exactly we're gonna do with all these apples, how much water we need, how much sugar we need. And we'll take you along for a journey. This might be like a 3-month video in the making, but it'll be here. I believe it's been 3 weeks to the day since we started the vinegar, and we're gonna open it up here, the unveiling, and see how it goes. That's just a slip knot, so just give it a little tug one way or the other. There it goes.
Oh, we need a bowl.
What kind of bowl do you need?
Something good.
So,
Woo! It smells vinegary.
it does smell vinegary. They talk about that little bit of white scum.
It's not really mold though.
It's not really mold. Some people say to take it off. Some people say to leave it in. We tend to err on the side of caution.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this plate out. If you can see that little, looks, I don't know, that looks a little like mold to me, but it's not in the liquid, so.
So you're just gonna remove the plate?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a fresh plate in there, I think.
How does it smell up?
It smells like vinegar.
Oops, sorry everybody.
I know it's not like time for it to be vinegar, but. I'm just gonna set it up here. Oh, look at that bubble action in there. That's nice. Can you see that?
Oh yeah.
I guess try to stir from the bottom to the top. Wow, look at some of these apples don't even look, they look fresh.
Like we literally sliced them up yesterday. Nice and bubbly.
It's not as fizzy as it was the last time that we opened it though.
Yeah, we did open it about, what, I don't know.
It had been about a week, I think.
About a week, and it was really fizzing and fuzzing and doing all kinds of things. But they say you're supposed to just let it sit for a couple weeks and then open it up and give it a stir. So that's kind of what we've done.
It's not bubbling anymore, like really, not like it was. It was really like effervescent, like really fizzing, and it seems to have calmed down.
Yeah, we'll keep you updated. So it's been 30 days and we are removing the apples from the, what would you call it, brine, I guess? Mix from the chemical reaction, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to, so then remove all the apples, all the apple peels, and what we're going to be left with is the unfiltered juice, I guess. And then we gotta let that sit for 30 more days. And so here we go.
I hope the bowl.
It will, it's almost empty. Woo-wee!
It smells like alcohol.
Yeah, it smells like we're brewing hooch up in here. So we're halfway there with our apple cider vinegar. And that's probably enough apple cider vinegar to get us through the year, I would think. What's going on, everybody? This video has been 3.5 months in the making. We started this apple cider vinegar August 28th with some scrap apples from our orchard, and we've strained it, we've let it sit, and occasional stirring. It's finally at the taste and smell of a fine vinegar. I wish I could send the scent through the airwaves, through YouTube, so y'all could smell just how vinegary this is. This has basically been the setup since day one. Just had this like thing, this breathable cloth over top. Lid just kind of sitting there so it doesn't build pressure. Never really had the lid down on tight, except at the very beginning, I think. So I want to show you what we come up with. I'm really proud of this stuff. This comes straight from our orchard. Hopefully you can see down in there. I mean, it's pretty awesome looking. It's so strong smelling. We tasted it early this morning. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a, it did settle out. We got a lot of mother on the bottom. This is really easy to do. You just kind of almost sit it and forget it. I'll show you what this beautiful vinegar, it only gets better with time. So we've just finally, after almost 4 months, I've decided, I'll hold that up a little bit so you can see it better, to bottle it up. How lovely is that? And you know what? We have enough apple cider vinegar. Hopefully to last us a year, I would hope. If not, then, well, I guess that's good, you know. Nothing better than vinegar for your body. So we're really proud of what we managed to accomplish here. Don't really have anything else. If you have any questions or comments about the process to which we came up with apple cider vinegar from our orchard out of scrap apples, comment below, send a like, whatever. But till next time, be good to one another and keep on doing cool stuff.